Hi and welcome to my YouTube video show. Today I want to tell you about a project which called the xDAC. The global business community is looking to benefit from true economic growth, a system free from the influence of regulatory agencies and malicious third parties. One that is open countless enterprising opportunities that include raising capital through ICOs, streaming operations via blockchains, and increasing profits. Introducing xDAC, a decentralized network with a built-in proof-of-work incentive mechanism, a comprehensive governance tool, and an innovative support system for DApps and internal autonomous agents, all housed on top of EOS. Welcome to the newest way to effectively run your business. During the uh, white paper, let me check. Automated dispute revolution. Unlike traditional companies who face never-ending financial roadblocks and complicated arbitration processes, xDAC, an advanced decentralized platform, allows for a seamless dispute revolution. The xDAC platform allows for fundraising through token sales, crypto payments processing, and automatic payrolls. It also paves the way for bots and artificial intelligence to become a part of company structure, challenging developers to create internal autonomous agents that are sophisticated enough to join company teams. The core idea of decentralization is that the operation of a service is not blindly trusted to any single omnipotent company. Instead, responsibility for the service is shared, perhaps by running across multiple federated servers or perhaps running across client-side apps in an entirely distributed peer-to-peer model. Matthew Hodgson of TechCrunch said in a recent article, so that makes xDAC platform self-sustainable and reliable environment for businesses. Autonomy and transparency. At the end of the day, xDAC aims to manage itself in self-governed self-governance by cutting out middlemen and providing trust and transparency by using a blockchain. But does this mean xDAC plans to separate itself entirely from the laws and taxes that regulate companies? It seems unfair to the global economy, and many governments and corporations are likely to see this as an attack. xDAC's goal is to create consistent regulation for businesses across its platform. If rule changes are requested, the platform will be open to the proposed change, and token holders will have the options to vote accordingly. The primary objective of xDAC is to ensure the protection of businesses on the platform. Full control over governance, finances, and team. xDAC platform aggregates three companies together in one place and automates them. This is designed to benefit both the company and their customers. Companies have full control over their governance, finance, and their respective team. Business partners have confidence that companies they deal with are reliable and solvent by using a transparent system of governance and dispute resolution. On xDAC platform is focused on creating a comprehensive framework for entrepreneurs, team, autonomous agents, or investors in crypto space. All users can benefit from decentralization. Three reasons to trust xDAC more than traditional businesses. Fast and automated dispute resolution. xDAC provide arbitration system for any given dispute between two parties, which allows decentralized arbitrators to resolve dispute based on documents provided by applicant and defendant very quickly. Liability fund and that can cover companies' debts or liabilities. Liability fund is liability coverage in case of xDAC debts or liabilities. It is created as percentage from a received payment that is stored on separate wallet until certain limits are reached. Transparency. Ownership in public xDAC organization is transparent and transferable. Voting token holdings are public and all owners have the right to transfer ownership to another party. There are four transparent functions of ownership built into public xDAC. List all voting token holders and their holdings, issues token arbitrarily or with parameters, sells or transfer token, issue new non-voting token. The xDAC control panel xDAC will come with an initiative control panel allowing users to seamlessly navigate content as a web host. Unlike most decentralized autonomous organizations, xDAC allows users to select their domain and deliver content to both the centralized and decentralized network. The best part, user owners take full advantages of a deregulated system with no local government registration or interference. Here are some of the key features and benefits of xDAC according to the company whitelist. Some governments across entire platform, control over teams and finances, easy fundraising, xDAC platform profits distributed back to xDAC, not to other projects. Less administrative adherence, more time to focus on businesses. xDAC on EOS platform. Among the decentralized smart contract platform, EOS is the most advanced fearless blockchain platform in development. xDAC growing developer community is in the midst of testing on top of the EOS platform, creating a vibrant ecosystem of second layer protocols and projects. EOS is a dynamic blockchain with a large contingency of developers. With the introduction of WebAssembly, developers are allowed to use C++ with smart contracts to receive higher performance of native code. C++ has already extended a number of libraries with tested and proven code available to developers. This limits their margin of errors and can be used in smart contracts. EOS is scaled to perform tens of thousands of transactions per second, while other blockchains are seemingly congested with small projects. Nevertheless, the xDAC platform developers team is willing to adopt a hybrid solution. Such as sidechain settlements should in fact network congestion on the public EOS network pose a significant problem. The xDAC token explained. xDAC token. xDAC token is a platform currency representing value and wealth in the decentralized economy used for exchange of values between xDAC companies, employees, customers, and other third-party entities. The token will be used on the xDAC platform for dispute resolutions, pay team members, accept payments for services, profit distribution, and incentivize development. xDAC tokens are ERC20 compatible tokens distributed on the Ethereum blockchain, pursuant to a related ERC20 smart contract. Ethereum token distributed in the ICO phase are pre-existing token and will be migrated to another protocol on the EOS platform. And at the end, I want to check token sale, name of the token xDAC, ERC20, token issue volume about 100 millions, token sale volume is 40 million, soft cap is 1,500 Ethereum, and hard cap is about 35 thousands of Ethereum. For one Ethereum, you will receive 1,000 xDAC token. Here you can see bonuses for early investors and token distribution and use funds. 40% of tokens will be on token sale, and about using 40% will go to development, research and development. It's really nice. And roadmap project was started on November, and now we are here. Token distribution, ICO round and pre-sale and ICO distribution of token, integration and identity, verification, governance, development of xDAC client, company and wallets. Also, on the website you can check a core team, check founders and technical leads. They have LinkedIn profiles where you can check team experience. Okay, that's all. Thank you for watching. Goodbye.